welcome to a new video. Today we've started our walking training for the Pennine Way, and we're doing a walk around Leicestershire. It's a fairly flat one, actually it's almost completely flat, but it should be a really nice walk. So what I'm doing at the moment, I'm walking along the old Foss Way and coming up to a junction up here called High Cross, which is where the Foss Way crosses with Watling Street. The other guys are walking with her up there, up in front, and Poppy's just running backwards and forwards in between, so she's going to get lots of exercise today. Hello! So this walk's about 6 miles. Like I say, it's fairly flat. We're just going along the Foss Way now. It's really nice out here actually. You can see behind me there, across the fields. It's a fairly flat part of the country. It's a bit chilly this morning, and my hands are getting cold. Put my hat back on and put my gloves back on, and make sure we stay warm. But yes, it's a nice day. Looking forward to this. It's really good to get out. So this is the High Cross. This is just a monument that was put here probably 100 years ago, something like that. It's not Roman or anything like that. And it's also in a little bit of disarray. But yeah, it's okay. It's interesting, and it marks a spot where the Foss Way meets and crosses the Watling Street. So this here is a beacon basket, and a few years ago for the Queen's Golden Jubilee, something like that, they were erected all the way across the country, and you'd fill that full of fire, and then it would sort of act as a relay. So this one would get lit, and then one over, I think there's one behind, a few miles away at Gilmorton, you'd be able to see it, and then you'd light yours, and basically that signal would then go across the whole country. Oh hi, so we've just gone past High Cross. Excuse me while I climb over a stile. That's quite tall. Yeah, heading off now down the Leicestershire round. So this is a footpath that goes all the way around Leicestershire. It's about 100 miles, something like that. And we're going to be walking a little bit of it today. Just left High Cross back there, and now heading out pretty much across the border, the Leicestershire border here, right down south. Off up to Claybrook Magna, I think, is the first village that we're going to come to before we loop back round to where the car is. So we're a couple of miles in. That was nice easy walking. We've just about got to the top of where we're going, and well, this is interesting. We've now got an electric fence across the path. Nice low one. I think I can get over that one without a problem. There we go. Right. So this is nice. The sheep field. Coffee's been good. Still quite bracing. It does feel like it's warming up a little bit though, so that should be okay. Let's crack on. Thanks, Pops. Here we go. Made it to the end of that footpath. And there's the pub and the lights are on. Fabulous. This I think is a private fishing lake just in the edge of a field. I'm kind of hoping that Poppy doesn't go in for a swim because she's got a coat on, but hopefully she's a little bit sensible. I can see something swimming about on it. I think that might be a couple of ducks. Whatever it was, it just dived down. So that's the end of the walk today. We're just coming back to the car now, dropping down here back onto the Fossway. Poppy's had a really good day. I think she's enjoyed it, which is grand, and I've enjoyed it too. It's nice to get a few miles under the belt and get walking again. So I'm going to leave it there, and we'll see you again in a few days, probably next weekend. It's going to be quite cold this week. It's still getting dark quite early, so yeah, probably next weekend. Let's see what we can do. See if we can go for a nice walk then. But yeah, thanks for your company, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Come on with me.